Hello students, this is Mahima Gupta and I am again here for our next chapter, chapter number 10, Phone Etiquettes. This is a very important chapter for you guys because here we are going to study about the moral values, manners which we have to follow while communicating on mobile phone. Understood? So there are some guidance, okay? Some points which we have to take in consideration while communicating with other people. So let's move to the slides. Telephone has become the necessity of common man today. As we know that telephone is a necessity of present era. Each and every person use mobile phone for their working. So there are some rules, okay, some rules and regulation that we should have to follow while communicating on mobile phone. While conversing on the phone, we should keep certain things in mind and they are as follows, okay. The first point is we should talk politely on the phone. It is a very important point. We have to use only polite and calm words, okay? It is very bad to use harsh and loud voice. We have to talk in a very polite way on the phone. We should not shout, okay? Talk with people in a calm and pleasant voice. Do not shout on mobile phone, okay? This can irritate the ear of the person, okay. So you have to use a very pleasant voice. We should speak in a normal voice. You have to speak in a normal voice. So please don't try to manipulate or modify your voice while talking to the people. You should only have to speak in your normal voice, okay. This can create ease while communicating with the other person. So you have to use polite words, okay, and you should not have to shout. Then we should speak in a normal voice. Understood? Second point, we should not interrupt while the other person is speaking. Okay, this is a very important manner which we have to follow. What the thing is, we should not interrupt while the other person is speaking. I think many of us had heard from our parents that don't interrupt while the two elder people were talking. You have to wait for your turn. Okay? When they will finish their communication, then you have to speak. Then you have to talk to the person. So wait for your turn and don't interrupt while the other person is speaking because interrupting them can cause a distraction in their mind. So don't interrupt between two people who are speaking with each other. Third point, we should keep our conversation short. Remember, talking on phone costs you money. Okay, as we know, we have to recharge our mobile phone for communicating or for using it. So we are paying something for it. So you have to keep your conversation short and precise. Okay, don't make it too lengthy or boresome. Otherwise, the person will not be interested to talking with you. So you have to use very precise language and short term communication, okay, short communication we can say. So you have to converse for a limited time period, okay, not for 1 or 3 hours. Understood? Now fourth one, in case of a landline phone, keep the receiver properly on the cradle after you have ended your conversation. Understood? The person who used to talk with the help of telephone. There are two parts. One cradle is there and one receiver is there. Cradle is the thing which is placed on the table and the receiver is the handle, okay, which is placed above the cradle. So whenever you complete your conversation, then you have to place the receiver properly and in a systematic way on the cradle so that the call can be ended properly. Otherwise, the person on the other side will get confused that whether the phone is cutted or not. Okay, so you have to place the receiver properly on the cradle for the safety of the receiver also and for the convenience of the person other side also. Understood? Next one, always use polite words like please, sorry, excuse me while talking on phone. The thing that you have to keep in mind, is using polite words like please, sorry, excuse me. These are the words which can create a nice image, build a nice image of the speaker. Okay, so you have to use these kind of words so that the other person will be interested with talking to you and pay attention to your words. Okay, this will build a positive image in his or her mind. Now, next one is never make calls to police, hospital, or fire station for fun's sake. This could lead to serious trouble. Okay, it is not convenient and it is not legal also to call police or hospital just for the sake of fun. Okay, you can't simply dial 100 and call the police for investigating that my toy is stolen. This is bad, na? You have to make calls only if you really need them. Okay, otherwise they can charge penalty that you have to call them only when you really need them. So don't disturb police, hospital or fire station because they are for our help now, not for the fun purpose. Okay, next one, if the person who you want to talk to is not available on the other side, leave a message for him or her. If the person to whom you want to talk is busy in some other work, then it is your duty, okay, to leave a message for him or her so that when they will get free, they can read the message and call you back. Okay, this will be convenient for both of the person, for you also and for the person to whom you want to talk, for him also. Okay, so you have to leave a message for him or her. Next one, this is the last point. If you have to make an international call. Acha, what is the meaning of international call? International call means the call. If you want to call a person who is not in India or who is outside the national boundary or the domestic boundary of our country, of our India, then that call will be called as international call. Okay. For example, if you want to call a person who is in USA or London, okay, then that call will be called as international call because that person is not in India. So, if you have to make an international call, make sure that you make the call at an appropriate time. Why appropriate time? Because the time zone of different country are also different. Okay, for example, when it is morning in India, it is night in the USA. Okay, na? So you can't call a person who is in USA in night because this can cause a inconvenience to the person. So you have to keep in mind this point. What? That there are different time zones for different country, so you have to keep in mind when to call and not. Okay, so if you have to make an international call, make sure that you make the call at an appropriate time which will be convenient for you and for the receiver also. Remember that countries are in different time zone, so you have to follow this point also. Okay, so these are the various points and values, etiquettes which we have to follow while talking on telephone. Understood? So kindly adopt these principles and adopt these etiquettes in your life also. Okay? I hope you understand well. Thank you.